Welcome to the channel. Imagine typing a sentence and within the seconds an AI generates a stunning video based on your text. Well, everyone knows AI those days, so this time it won't be something new for you guys because there's a plenty of projects like that. One of those is Text2Video dash zero. Okay, and it's an open AI source breakthrough from Pixar AI research. Okay, today we are not just talking about it, we are diving deep into its code to understand how it works. So, Text to Video Zero is a cutting edge AI model that converts plain text into a dynamic videos and there's no training required. All right, so why does this matter? So this technology is set to revolutionize industries like marketing, education, and entertainment, okay, making video creation accessible to everyone. Okay, so stick around to see how it works under the hood, including the code, structure, model design, and how you can get it running yourself. So I'm just showing you guys what's possible using this particular tool, and I'm going to show you now inside the GitHub shortly. All right. At its core, Text2Video Zero builds pre-trained text-to-image models like Stable Diffusion. It extends these capabilities by predicting motion across frames to create smooth, realistic videos. It does this using a process called zero-shot video generation, meaning that it doesn't need training on specific video datasets. It works directly from text prompts. So what's the key components of this? So text, you can embed your text, okay, converts the input text prompt into a latent representation. You can video synthesize, uses this embedding to generate sequential frames with smooth repository structure. Okay, so let's get started with GitHub repository now, and it has a few key folders and files you will need to know about it. Okay, so that's all what it's showing now here, guys. Okay, I will be leaving the link to this repository here inside the description of this video. Okay, so let's go and see what the main components of the codes are. Okay, but before we started, so it has there are a few key folders and files you need to know about it. Okay, so those are I mentioned here. Okay, so SRC contains the main source code for the model and video generation pipeline. Models holds the pre-trained ways to text to image and video generation, and configs includes configuration files for setting parameters like frames rate and resolution. App.py, the main script that ties everything together. Okay, so now let's move into the text-to-image model integration. Okay, the code first initializes a text-to-image model, such as a Stable Diffusion, using a library like Hugging Face, Transformers. Here is a snippet from the code. Okay, then we can move into the text embedding. The input text is converted into the embedding using the tokenizer and encoder from the model. Okay, and then when we will be talking about the frame generation, the core innovation of Text2Video Zero lies in how it generates sequential frames. The generate underscore frames function creates a series of images by applying slight variation to the latent space between frames. This loop ensures smooth transition between frames, creating the illusion of motion. Okay, temporal consistency. To maintain temporal consistency, the model uses a recurrent structure to refine the latent space for each frame based on its previous one. Okay, and after all, we can do some post processing. So once the frames are generated, they will be stitched together into the video using libraries like OpenCV. Okay, so and now like setting up the environment, we have to clone the repository to install dependencies with pip install or our requirements.txt, and then we move into the running the model. To generate a video, we need to modify the app.py script with your text prompt and run it. Okay, and after that, we can go ahead and you can adjust parameters. You can tweak parameters like the numbers of frames, resolution, and frame rate into the config files or direct in the script. Okay. Okay, and after so great of applications. So from we can create the personalized ads for generating agricultural animations. The possibilities are endless. What we can use with this particular project for. Okay, so because it's open source, developers can modify the code to fit their unique needs, such as integration, new text-to-image models, or experimenting with different video styles. Text-to-Video Zero isn't just a tool; it's a leap forward in an AI-driven creativity. With its open source code, the power is in your hands to explore and innovate. Okay, so if you found this breakdown helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more AI content, and let me know in the comments what's the first video you generated using this technology. Thanks for watching, and remember, with Text to Video Zero, your imagination is now your video production team.